Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to analyze logs in Splunk, a powerful tool for machine data analysis. Splunk helps you make sense of large volumes of log data and turn it into valuable insights. Let's start by logging into your Splunk instance. You can do this using localhost on your browser or by entering the access code provided for your setup. Once inside, open the Search and Reporting app from the Apps dropdown. This is the main workspace for querying and analyzing your logs. Before running any searches, make sure the logs you want to analyze are indexed in Splunk. This ensures they're ready for querying. To narrow down your results, specify the index directly in the search bar. If you're not sure which index to use, you can search across all available logs to locate your data. Now let's move on to SPL queries, which stand for Search Processing Language. SPL allows you to filter, group, and display log data with precision. For example, you can search for specific events, limit results to a particular time frame, or group data by user activity. To refine your analysis, use the time picker to adjust the search range and focus only on the period you need. Once your results load, you can explore them in different views. The Events tab lets you inspect individual log entries, which is useful for troubleshooting errors, while the Statistics tab summarizes data, such as counting login attempts per user. Splunk also makes it easy to visualize your data. You can create time charts, bar graphs, or other visual reports to track patterns like error rates or usage trends over time. For more advanced analysis, Splunk automatically extracts fields from your logs, but you can also define custom field extractions to capture specific details like IP addresses or error codes. To save time later, save your search queries so you can run them again whenever you need. And that's the process of analyzing logs in Splunk. By using the Search and Reporting app along with SPL queries, filters, and visualizations, you can uncover deep insights from your machine data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.